Hi guys, welcome to this system. You can have this one as well because it's the ISO of July. It's already available on AEG, but soon to be released on Wednesday here, the 28th. Tuesday. Tuesday 28th. Thing is, there's a user on Discord and he says I have Okular. Now Okular is actually an application that's from Plasma, if I'm not wrong, and that's why I like to go in here to this PAMAC thing, which is actually for Manjaro, and have a look. So okay, what's this? appskde.org. Yes, I was right. So it is a KDE thing, which means yeah, it's probably gonna be a Qt kind of thing. And there are some tutorials online, and I hope I can find it quickly. ArchWiki, right? ArchWiki, and then GTK, Qt. Let's see what we get. Uniform look for Qt and GTK applications. That's exactly what I wanted to have. So that was a good search. So with this, you need to be able to figure things out. So you go and have a look and read. It will change these pages, right? ArchWiki is always in motion, always changing. Sudo pacman -s or q stop tab tab. Voila, Okular. Enter. Let's see, and that was the what if that I had. How does it look on ArcoLinux XL? Okay, I have a choice here: VLC or GStreamer. I have number 1 as default. That's cool. And yes, well, take a look. It's a choice, right? It's all K stuff. Of course there is K stuff because it's a package that's run on KDE. We're not on KDE, so all of this has to come in. Is there anything alternative? Of course there are alternatives, and then you have to look for okay. Oh, that's a good tip. Alternative Okular. Have you ever tried to type and look for things like that? Alternative, that's the word. Okay, 25. Calibre, no. Foxy 3, yes. Events, that's the one I use. All the rests are, of course, browsers and all that. Load more alternatives. And many of those we'll probably never have heard before, but that's fine. And that's Linux for you. You decide what you like, and there are 7 more. Okay, let's see how it looks. So I'm going to get not that much. A lot of packages, but it's only 92 megabyte. Will it influence my machine? Right? Experience and time will tell. So we've got Okular installed. Universal Document Viewer. Enter. This is my look. That's not exactly the same as his look that we see here on on there. Now PDFs. I do believe we have a PDF. We could go to ArcoLinux.info. Has been a while since I've shown you that. On the downloads page, yeah, a lot of things to download, and you can also download a cheat sheet, and I believe this one is in PDF. So it is. So this is something that the newer users don't know. There is actually a summary of all the desktops that we have and all the packages that matter, all the ArcoLinux stuff, the AOR stuff. So an overview of all the pieces of the puzzle, basically. Is this now? I think it's now downloaded. If I save this, and now I have to tell the system open it with Okular. Okay, so this is how it looks on ArcoLinux XL, and that's all I can say, because what we see here on Discord looks terrible and this looks okay. So it depends on all the data that we have. We have also Quantum running on this machine that might influence it as well, and that's something to investigate as well. And of course, back to the drawing board, meaning back to ArchWiki. Always go back and read ArchWiki stuff. So remember Qt, GTK, ArchWiki, Qt, GTK, and you end up with the first hit. Quantum is here, and there are all other tips and tricks that might help you solve things. I'm teaching in general, right? This is not about Okular. This is just about, hey, I want to have a beautiful system for free without viruses. That's just gonna work, right? But it needs to look nice. This is the page where you make everything a little bit more uniform. All right, enjoy.